tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, because with butter, everything is better. Add 1 medium chopped onion. Saute over medium heat. Add 1 pound of sliced mushroom. After the mushrooms sweated out, we're gonna add 2 large cloves of garlic diced into small cubes. Cook for another minute or so. Afterwards, we're gonna add 1 quart of half and half. Now we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the cooked fettuccine pasta. I added a total of 1 pound, which is 1 whole box of fettuccine pasta. Finally, add 2 handfuls of fresh, coarsely chopped parsley. Let's cover, let it simmer for about 12 to 15 minutes until the sauce reaches the thickness you like. Now let's look how it is after 15 minutes. I turned off the heat. Oh, yum. The sauce has thickened and it's ready to serve. Bon appétit! ألف صحة وعافية.